Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vlad, and in today's video, we're going to be unboxing a very interesting product by a company called Achedaway. Now, this product is a modern twist on the ancient cupping technique that is used to stimulate the skin and the muscles and to promote healing and blood flow. Full disclosure before we get started, the company has sent me the product to review, but I have not been paid or sponsored in any way. So all the views and opinions expressed in this video are my own. Let's get started. For those of you that don't know, cupping or cupping therapy is an ancient practice of alternative medicine in which a suction is created on the skin using heated cups in order to promote blood flow and healing, and it is used to cure many different ailments. This practice is very common throughout Asia as well as Eastern Europe and the Middle East. Achedaway has managed to create a similar product that utilizes modern technology that is much safer to use at home, as you don't have to use hot cups or fire for that matter. Now, to give you a quick rundown of the product, the Achedaway Cupper has dynamic cupping technology which boosts blood flow circulation faster. It has a smart massage function with 5 different modes and 5 intensity levels. It has red light therapy which helps with inflammation. And the Achedaway Cupper also has smart controls through a mobile phone app that is available for both Apple and Android devices. Let's take a look at the box quickly. On the front of the box, we have the company logo. We have an image of what the cupper looks like. Underneath that is the slogan, which is cupping faster, recover smarter. And on the bottom, it shows that it comes with different size attachments as well as information on the companion app. On the side of the box, we have a list of the top features of the product, such as smart massage, red light therapy, and dynamic cupping. On the back of the box, we have some more details about the product, such as product dimensions, suction intensity, charging time and battery capacity, and there is information on all the different buttons and parts of the cupper. There are also some QR codes where you can download the companion app from. On the other side, there is a list of some of the other parts that come in the box and also a list of some of the other features. Let's go ahead and open up the box. Once we remove the outer sleeve, we have the company branding again and the slogan. And once we open up the box, we are greeted by the user manual. The manual gives you an overview and a guide of how the cupper works. It gives you an explanation of what all the different features and modes mean, and it also has safety instructions, which is important to read before using this product. Let's pop that to the side. Next up, we have the actual cupping device itself. At first glance, it is quite large, but that is because there is a lot of technology built in. On the side of the cupper, we have a USB Type-C port, which is used for charging. On the top of the device, there are 4 different buttons. One is used to power the device on or off, and there are 3 control buttons. To remove the cup, you just have to twist the cup in an anti-clockwise motion. Once we remove the cup, we can also see that there are some cotton filters already pre-installed. To install the cup, you just have to twist it in a clockwise motion. Next up, we have another cup in a larger size. and it also comes with some spare cotton filters. There is also a lanyard that you can attach to the cupper. Initially, I thought this was for easy removal of the cupper, kind of like a quick release pull tab, but it is essentially just a lanyard that you can keep a hold of so it doesn't fall down or off of your body and break. And last, we have the smallest cup and a USB cable for charging. This doesn't come with the actual charger itself, but any old 5-volt mobile phone charger should be able to charge the cupper. To give you a quick product rundown, there are 3 control buttons and a power button as mentioned earlier in the video, and all of these have lights around them. To power the device on, you press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds. To turn it off, you repeat the same process. Next up, we have the red light control, which is indicated by the little light icon. This allows you to turn the red light on or off by pressing the button. Then we have the suction control, indicated by the letter M. This allows you to scroll through the 5 different suction modes by simply pressing the button. And lastly, we have the intensity control, indicated by a small cup icon. You can adjust the intensity by pressing the button, and the intensity goes from level 1 to 5, and that is indicated by the lights on the side. Personally, I've never had cupping done, so I don't know what to expect, but let's give it a quick try. Oh wow. At first, you do get a bit of a tickling funny sensation, and you can really feel the cupper pulling on your skin. But after a couple of minutes, you kind of get used to the feeling, and you can always adjust the intensity. I would recommend starting on the lowest intensity first and then trying the other levels slowly. So that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you have made it this far. I will be doing another setup and review video soon, so if you would like to know how this product performs, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. I'll catch you in the next one.